guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Barone.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs. So today we are following another Facebook video. We saw this one a couple of days ago, so we had like all the ingredients, so why not? We're gonna make some Barone Cheesecake ice cubes. It's not ice cubes, but you make it in an ice cube tray. So yeah, basically frozen Barone cheesecake.
It looks delicious. We were laying there and she's like, oh, look here, and like, what is it? And she showed me it and I'm like, oh, we have to make this.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. There's no baking involved. You just mix a lot of stuff and put it in a freezer. Only problem is we don't have a silicone like ice cube tray.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of worried about that one, but we'll see what happens.
Captain Hindsight, thank God you've come!
Hope for the best.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so you'll need the following. You'll need vanilla biscuits. We have only tennis biscuits, but the recipe calls for vanilla biscuits. You'll need your vanilla essence, the icing sugar, your cream cheese, and also your Barones. That's all. Okay, step one is to add your cream cheese. I'm gonna add a quarter to this.
3/4.
3/4. So about there.
Yeah, if it's too chocolatey, like we're not gonna complain. We always point this out. We eat all the food, even if it's like a disaster. We still eat it. Just not the ramen noodles. Like that can go far away.
Okay, now time for our icing sugar.
You need about 1/4 cup. That's enough. Like usual, we don't use measuring things here. We measure with the heart. That's all that matters.
Or when Megan tells you to stop.
Yeah. Then the next step, of course, is adding a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm like standing behind the camera and just like telling him what to do right now. But it works. And then you just mix all of this.
Okay, time to whisk it all together. Yes, always.
This is every single time we make food.
I'm not sure what I'm doing here.
Yeah, everything just needs to be mixed together. The cream cheese was in the fridge, so it's a little bit hard, but we'll speed up this for you guys because it might take a while.
Okay, as you can see, this is pretty much mixed now. I'm gonna mix it a little bit, and I'm gonna put it aside.
On to the next step. Okay, so the next step is just to add the remaining cream cheese to a bowl. And then we have to melt the Barones and throw them with this. So let's get on with the melting. Okay guys, so you know this contraption. We usually use this to melt some chocolate and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna cut up the Barones. That sounds tough. And we're just gonna add it in here and let it melt, and as soon as it is melted we'll add it to the cream cheese. I wanted to eat this Barone. The sacrifices we make for videos.
I also saw it in the bag this morning and I'm like, I'm gonna eat it. But yeah, we have a video to do.
Yeah, we didn't buy it for this video, we just like randomly had the same ingredients lying around, like okay, cool. This is our life now. Okay, and then we wait for it to melt. Okay, so once your Barones are melted, finally, it will take a while, you can add it to that 1/4 cream cheese you put aside. This thing is extremely hot, so do excuse everything that's in the way, but I need to put this down and fast. I'm gonna get like all the chocolate out because the more the merrier. Okay, and then you just mix this together. I think it's actually like melting the cream cheese a little bit.
It smells delicious, yeah.
Melted chocolate, always.
I think this is going to be a winner. I just hope it comes out of like cubes.
Yeah, like alternatively, if you don't want to like take the chance, you can always like put it in a normal pan. It'll work too, just like a normal tray. You'll make something like this in. Okay, and then almost done. Next step.
Okay, so I'm going to add my chocolate to this mixture.
Yeah, we're basically gonna try and make like a marble texture. So we've never done this with any recipes before, so I hope it works. He's like leaving chocolate in there on purpose to eat.
It's mine.
Look at that chocolatey goodness. Key here is just to not mix it but fold it in rather, so that it makes those streaks. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, we're just mixing everything. It's still gonna be good.
I just want to put my finger in there.
I think that's pretty much what we want. So on to the almost final step. Okay. So of course, the bigger the ice tray is, the more you're gonna fit in there. So I'm gonna try and do this without messing everywhere. I need another spoon. But this is why we do this in pairs. You get a lovely assistant.
You.
Okay. If you mess somewhere, you can clean it up afterwards. It's fine. It's not glue. Okay, this is why I said that, because this is actually like a really small ice cube tray.
I wonder how many tries it takes the guys on Facebook to get it like so perfect.
Yeah, they fake it. But it's like if you watch those videos, we should probably do one at some other time, but I can't waste food like that. But it's pretty much like when they add glue and things to cheese to make it look better, and they add like paint to things to make it more vibrant, and you can't actually eat it, but it looks good on a photo and in a video. Yeah, I can't do that, like it's lying. Like you get that occasional client, because we do wedding photography amongst other things, and you get that occasional client that comes and like, you didn't edit my photos, and like, no, but we did edit it. And she's like, but I'm still fat in it, and I still have this and I still have that. And it's like, well, that's how you look. Like, you're not like shooting for a magazine. This is just like wedding photos.
You edit, you don't create wonders.
This is taking a while. I'll like shake everything into place now. Yeah, that actually worked. Ta-da! Okay, I'm just gonna leave it messy like that.
Is it time for the fridge yet?
No.
Wow.
So with like every tart thing you make, you have to put some cookies. Cookies! I can't see the front of my camera, okay? But yeah, we're gonna crush these, sprinkle them over that, and then we're done.
So now I'm gonna add my tennis biscuits. So I'm not gonna crush it up, it takes too long. We're gonna juggle this now.
Yeah, blender works perfectly.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do the entire packet because We only made so many of these treats. Naturally, you can use double the amount of cream cheese to make more.
I think that's done. And here's our crumbs.
The end result.
Very fine.
Ta-da!
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle our cookies here. Well, not to make too much of a mess. But that's my skill.
Yeah, it's definitely a specialty to make a mess.
At least I clean it. Oh well.
Yeah, that's the bonus. Okay. So there you have it, the final result. So we're just gonna pop this in the freezer for an hour or two and then we'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day. We left this in the freezer overnight because we had some other things to do. So we're kind of worried of how we're gonna get this out. So we left it in boiling water for a minute now, just so that the bottoms soak up. So here goes nothing. Okay, well the cookies came out. This is why you need to use silicone, but we don't have one at the moment. Okay, this is just destroying it. Plan B. Okay. So we just want to taste test it. I feel this is a fail, but okay. Taste test nonetheless. Let's get to it. Okay, so it didn't come out right. Doesn't want to come out of the tray at all. I would definitely suggest getting a silicone tray to use, or even making a giant one and just cutting it into cubes afterwards. It might be easier. But taste test, this is the important part. We always say, like, we always eat the food, so. Oh, very cold.
Oh, now you want to give me brain freeze.
Yep. Weren't you the food? It's actually pretty good. Like, I'll make a giant tray of this. It's for one.
Well, I like it. I'm gonna eat the rest. But yeah, it didn't come out right, but it's still delicious.
Yeah, I'd definitely try and using a different pan. This was somewhat of a fail, but like, the taste is like, yes. Yeah, so definitely use a different bowl to put it in, or a different pan, and put it in the freezer still, because it's actually pretty cool, like having these ice cubes. It's cool for summer days, not so much when it's winter time, but yeah, it was good.
Either way, you're gonna have a delicious cheesecake ball one.
Yeah, Barone Cheesecake. Yeah, like we always say, we'll eat it. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed that one. It being a flop and everything, but still we hope you enjoyed it. We tried.
Well, at least it's a delicious flop.
Yeah, definitely don't leave it in the freezer for just an hour, like leave it overnight. You know, if you have a pool party tomorrow, like make it tonight, it's the perfect time for it. But use silicone or use a giant tray that you can pop out. Don't try and do it like we did. It was, you can eat it with a spoon if you want to like watch a movie and cry or something. Like, it's perfect. You can just sit there while no one's watching. But yeah, otherwise try and get the right equipment.
It was worth a try.
Yeah, and it's tasty.
So guys, drop us a comment below what can we make next, or any suggestions you have.
Yeah, send us a link to some Facebook or Instagram videos that we can try out, because Yeah, they made it look extremely easy. That's always the thing with these
Like
videos.
always.
They make it look so easy. You think it's easy and then this happens. Yeah.
And also guys, remember to subscribe to us. We have a goal for next month, June, for 100 subscribers.
Yeah, by end of June we'd like to have 100 subscribers. If we get that, we're gonna buy all the Samyang ramen we can get our hands on and burn our mouths for you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching guys.
Bye.
Bye.